authority, alignment, and rest. Today, I seal these past 7 days with rest. I release what I am not meant to carry. I let identity, peace, and direction settle fully. Rest is not withdrawal. Rest is actually integration. I trust what has been established. I rest in who I am. I rest in where I am going. Identity is secure. Peace is present. Direction is unfolding. Amen. Now, this concludes the 7 days. Let what has been established remain. Return here whenever alignment is needed. You have entered the realm of identity first.